Good morning, students. Welcome back to this data structure class. Currently, we are implementing stack as a linked data structure using pointer. So far, we have implemented the operation of checking whether the stack is empty or not, checking whether the stack is full or not, pushing a value into the linked stack, removing a value from the linked stack, that is pop operation. Before all of these things, we discussed about the advantages of having a linked data structure, especially a linked stack. I told you that only the required amount of memory is used in the case of linked data structure, whereas in the case of linear data structure, all the memory may not be used because we are storing the stack elements in an array. The size of the array might be higher, the number of elements in the stack might be less. In that case, the remaining elements in that array will not be used. Okay, so these are the some of the drawbacks with array when it is used for implementing a stack. So to avoid that, we are having this linked stack. I gave you the pictorial representation of your linked stack, especially the importance of having a self-referential structure. What I told you about that self-referential structure, it is a structure having a member in which is a pointer member pointing the very same structure itself. That is the things. Now we are going to implement the remaining operations like displaying the contents of that stack and using all these operations in a main menu. Okay, now we go over. So the name of the function to display the stack is display. So it is available in stack type void stack type so available display as I said in the last class. The values of the stack will be displayed from the node pointed by top. We cannot traverse the external pointer top from the current node till to the last node. So for that, what we do is we put some extra pointer connection to the node pointed by top. Let me call that as temp. Here also it should be pointer. Then I will make this temp point what top is pointing by assigning temp is equal to top. Now both the pointers will point the same node, will point the same node. Then I traverse this temp, the pointer variable temp from the topmost element of the stack to the bottom. Okay, I told you the mechanism. That is, let us take this particular stack. I give one extra connection temp for this topmost value. Now I move this temp from this node after displaying 40 to the next node to display 30. After displaying 30, I will move this temp from here to here. How do I do that? First of all, I assign the value of top to temp. Then I say cout temp reference info. This area is info. Temp reference info means then 40 will be displayed. Then this is temp next. How do you access this one? Temp reference next. Temp reference next. The value of this temp reference next is given to temp. See, this is a pointer variable. Temp is a pointer variable, but this pointer variable is pointing this node. So when the value of this pointer variable is given to temp, the temp will move from pointing this one to, it will move the node having 30. It will happen. It will happen. Then I display temp reference info. So 30 will be displayed. After displaying that one, temp has to move here. So now this is temp reference next. The value of this temp reference next is given to temp. Then now temp will move here. Then temp reference info 20 will be displayed. Then temp reference next is given to temp. So this is temp next. So when this temp next is given to temp, temp will move from here to here. Then I say temp reference info 10 will be displayed. Then temp, this is temp next. Temp next is given to temp. So now the temp next is pointing null. So when this temp next is given to temp, temp will be pointing null. So as long as temp is not pointing, I will make temp to display its info value. So that means I will put these activities in a looping. These activities in a looping. That's what my idea. Okay. Now, what I said, while I use the while loop, while temp not equal to null, cout temp reference info. Temp reference info. Temp is equal to temp reference next. Now you see, initially both temp and top are pointing the same node. Now I'm checking whether the temp is pointing null or not. Now it is not, temp is not pointing null because temp is already pointing what the top is pointing. So top is pointing the current top node. Okay, I display the value of temp reference info. That 40 is displayed in the previous example I have shown you. Then temp is equal to temp next. Now the temp is moving from the node pointing 40 to the node pointing a node having 30. So currently because of this temp will be pointing 30, the node having 30. It is a while loop. Again temp is checked for checked whether it is pointing null or not. Now temp is not pointing null. Now temp is pointing the node having 30. So the condition is true. So cout temp reference info, the value 30 is displayed. 30 is displayed. Then temp is equal to temp next. So now temp next is pointing the node having 20. So when this temp next is given to temp, now temp will move from the node pointing 30 to the having 30 to the node having 20. Again, it is a while loop. Even now, temp is not equal to null because now temp is pointing the node having 20. Now you display that temp reference info. What happens? The 20 is displayed. Now temp next is given to temp. So now the temp next of the node having 20 is pointing the node having 10. So when this pointer variable is given to temp, now temp will move from node 20 to the node 10. Node 10. Then it's a while loop. Again, temp is not equal to null. See out temp reference info. 10 is also displayed. Now here look at this statement. Temp next is given to temp. Now the temp next is pointing null. Pointing null. So that null is given to temp. While loop. Now temp is equal to null. Temp is equal to null. You know that while loop is repeated as long as the Boolean condition is true. Now the Boolean condition has become false. So the while loop is terminated. While the while loop getting terminated, we have already displayed the contents of the stack 40, 30, 20, 10. You see how in which order they are all displayed. From the last in first out order, they are displayed. 40 was the last value that was displayed, then 30, then 20, then 10. So that is how they got displayed. The values of that stack got displayed. That is how this display function works. Okay. Now I put all of these functions, that is stack operations, in the main function. Main. I need an object for the stack type. My class is stack type. I create an object for that. Yes, I call that as yes. Okay, the object is yes. Now, what happens because of this object declaration? As soon as this object yes is declared, what happens? The constructor of this stack type class is executed. What was the constructor? This this constructor, that is this constructor was created. What happens? Top is equal to null. So because of this automatic execution of this constructor, an empty stack is created. So now we have an empty stack in which the external pointer top is pointing null. Pointing null. That is what happens. Okay. Now let me have some Boolean function, ordinary integer function, maybe option. Okay. Now we go. I put all the operations in a do while loop. So I create a menu for that operations. Do. Cn option. I get the value for option. What value, what to be, then whether I want to check whether my stack is empty or not. Then I put that in a switch condition. Switch option. switch option. Case 1. Case 1 is I'm checking whether my stack is empty or not. What is the function to check emptiness of the stack? Is empty. How do you call that is empty function? Through the object of that class. What is the name of the object here? Yes. So it is s dot is empty. S dot is empty, break. Now that function is over. Then case 2. I want to know whether my stack is full or not. What is the function? Is full. S dot is full. Break. Then pushing a value into the stack. Case 3. Now let us see what is this push function is. Push has a integer formal parameter. That means I should get a value. Then I should put that into the function here. Okay. So one makes okay. What is that? What value to be? So let me create one more variable, maybe mark. Cn mark. Here also it should be Cn mark. Then I push this mark into the s dot push off mark. Then break. Case 4. Case 4, okay. It has a okay reference parameter. So void. Okay. So what I do is s dot pop mark s dot pop mark, then cout mark break. Case 5. S dot display. S dot display. Then all the function has been executed. I call all these functions within a while loop. So do while, what is that? Option, do while option not equal to 0. 12 option not equal to 0. With that we are finishing. So this is how, now you see what happens. When the option is given value 1, the stack is checked for emptiness. When the option is checked given value 2, the stack is checked for fullness. When option is given 3, you get a value mark. The value that you get for this mark is pushed into the stack. Then when option is given 4, the value is popped out from a stack and displayed out here. Then when option is given the value 5, the contents of the stack are displayed. Now all these things are within a do while loop. What is happening? You are checking whether you have given the value 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. When 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given, these values will be, these functions will be executed. When option is given the value 0, the while loop gets true. Okay, gets false while option not equal to 0. So while loop gets false, so you will come out of that. So to terminate this looping work, you supply the value of 0 to option, the loop will get terminated. Okay, that is how. See, we displayed is empty. In the function for is empty, we check return 1 or 2. So it is not displaying whether the stack is empty or not. So here I make a correction. If is empty is equal to 1, cout empty stack. Similarly, if is dot is full is equal to 1, cout full stack. Now you get the clear clear display message whether the stack is full or not. That is how we implement a linked stack. You can implement it in your home, in your laptop, and check whether it is working or not. Some minor corrections like this. Capitals, they have to be corrected. These are all minor corrections that we have to do it. Okay, boys. We implemented a linked stack and check it at your home. Okay, when we come up with their solution. Okay.